Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Tirupati location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job openings for Shishi Educational Institutions located at Tanapalli, Tirupati. There is a walk-in interview will be happening on 28th March, that is Sunday, from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. There is various vacancies available with experience, like for super senior lecturers to teach IIT JEE Advanced in Mathematics, Physics, and Chemistry, Botany, and Zoology for NEET. So all these subjects, super senior lecturers are required. Minimum qualification is PG with above 5 years of experience in JEE Advanced or NEET. Salary offered 1,50,000 and above. And for senior lecturers to teach IIT JEE Main, NEET, and MSET in Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Botany, and Zoology. Qualification is PG with minimum 3 years of experience in JEE Main or NEET MSET. Salary offered minimum 75,000 to up to 1,50,000 per month. And for junior lecturers to teach IPE MSET in Sanskrit, English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Botany, and Zoology. Qualification PG with minimum 1 or 2 years of experience in IPE and MSET. Salary offered minimum 35,000 to up to 75,000 based upon your skill set and experience. And they are also looking for primary high school teachers to teach Telugu, English, Hindi, Maths, Chemistry, Physics, Biology, and Social Studies subjects. Qualification is trained or untrained graduates with BEd or postgraduates with 50% of marks BEd or MEd. Salary offered minimum 15,000 to up to 50,000 per month. And they are also looking for front office executives. Qualification good communication skills in English and Telugu languages. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 15,000 per month. And they are also looking for computer operators. Minimum qualification knowledge of DTP, MS Office, English and Telugu typing skills are required. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 18,000 per month. There is 2 notes available. Excellent teaching skill in English is mandatory for a senior number 1 to 4, that is for super senior lecturers and senior lecturers, junior lecturers, and primary and high school teachers. So for all these positions, excellent English communications is mandatory. And for post 2, attend with photocopies of certificates and 2 passport size photos. You have to take photocopies of your certificates and also 2 passport size photos for the interview venue. Interview venue is given here, address details available. You can check with that. Interview will be at Sri Balaji Kalyana Mandapam, opposite to Ayyappa Swami Temple, Tiruchanur. So this is the venue address. You can go through the all details. There is also 2 contact numbers available. For more information, you can contact numbers are 80964 00007 and 80965 00007. Next, there is a job openings for area sales managers for a leading IT hardware and software distribution partner of HP, Dell, and Microsoft. Minimum 3 to 5 years of experience of modem trade experience to promote and sell their range of products is required. You should have a fluency in English, Hindi, and Telugu languages. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can also contact on the given phone number for more information. Email ID is ps@digitalworldpc.com and contact number is 98664 Next, there is a job openings for project fellow assistant for IISCR Tirupati, that is Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, located in Tirupati. Salary offered minimum 20,000 to up to 31,000 per month. Freshers are eligible. Minimum qualification is BSc or MSc. Job location is Tirupati. Last day to apply for this job role is April 10th, 2021. For more information and to get to know a detailed advertisement and application process, you have to browse the provided website address link. There you can find a notification of the recruitment under recruitment page. The website address is given here. You can go through it. Next, there is job openings for various positions for Himaja High School located at Ken Road, Putturu. They are looking for pre-primary teachers, primary teachers. For primary teachers are looking for English and mathematics subjects, and they are also looking for high school teachers for the subjects Telugu, English, maths, physical science, social studies, and academic in charges as well. They are also looking for academic in charges, and they are also looking for student and parent counselor. You can directly walk in on the given address on Sunday, that is April 4th, sharp 9 a.m. You have to reach the venue by 9 a.m. on April 4th, Sunday. For more information about the organization, you can go through it. So this is the address details available, and also there is a contact number and email ID. Contact number is 9948863885 and email ID is hrsamsihtivida@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for director position for Janashikshan Sansthan located in Tirupati. Essential qualification and experience required is graduate from a recognized university, institution or equivalent. Working knowledge of the local language, both written and spoken, is required. You should have a vocational degree or diploma with 7 years of experience. Experience in leading a team, experience in heading an organization is required. Experience in guiding and conducting of research on education is required. So this is the qualification details and the education qualifications are details available. Age limit is maximum 55 years as on the date of the application. So maximum up to 50 years of age will be considered. You can check with the other details, terms and conditions here. So you can go through it. There is a email ID and a contact number available. Contact number is 0877 2250706. Next, there is a job openings for Muthoot Finance. They are looking for junior relationship executive for Tirupati region. Freshers are eligible for the job role. Graduates or postgraduate is a minimum qualification. Should have an interest towards sales and marketing to develop their career in financial industry, and should have a good written and verbal communication skills and fair knowledge of computers. You can go through the job description details here. Minimum up to, like, freshers are eligible, or up to 2 years of experience also will be considered. For more information to apply for this job role, you can browse the provided website address, careers page of Muthoot Finance. This is the official careers page of Muthoot Finance organization. Next, there is job openings for probationary officers for Tirupati region for Muthoot Finance organization. Minimum qualification is MBA or MCOM graduates from a reputed colleges with specialization in marketing or finance. They are considering passed out year of like 2019 and 2020. Only 2019 or 2020 are eligible. You should have a good communication skills and good analytical skills and good interpersonal skills. Fluency in local language is compulsory and fair knowledge in computer skills is required. Male candidates are preferred because the job will be transferable, the location may be transferable. So male candidates are preferred for the job role. Freshers are eligible and up to 3 years of experience also will be considered. To apply for this job role and to get to know more information, you can browse the official careers page of Muthoot Finance available here. You can go through it. Next, there is a job openings for ANGRAU University. They are looking for research associate. Minimum 1 to 3 years of experience is required. Education qualification is MS or MPhil or PhD. Last date to apply for the job role is April 1st, 2021. Selection procedure will be based on either written exam or interview. You can go through the other details here how to apply, and for more information and to apply for the job role, you can browse the official website address of Acharya Injiranga University, Agriculture University. So you can browse the official website address here. Next, there is a job openings for field sales executive for Rentokil Initial located in Tirupati. Your day-to-day responsibilities are given here like job role, and the requirements will be like sales experience of a minimum 2 years in direct sales is required, like facilities management for commercial business profile, minimum 2 years of home product or home service business or residential cleaning services for residential business profile is required, good interpersonal and networking skills, ability to communicate effectively, ability to negotiate with clients is required. You can apply for this job role by browsing the official careers page of Rentokil. Like in Shell, this is the website address available. You can find other job openings as well at the careers page of Rentokil in Shell.
So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.